All right, here's Wednesday's do now. We're converting from standard form to slope-intercept form. This is what we learned yesterday in the notes. So I want y to be alone. So for y to be alone, I need to move x away from it. I need x to cancel out. So if I subtract x from both sides, cancels, I'm left with y equals. I cannot combine these because they are not like terms, so I just drop them down. Negative x plus 4. Done. Same thing for number 2. I want y by itself, so I need to move the 3x to the other side. To do that, I want it to equal 0. So if I subtract 3 minus 3, I get nothing. So I can leave it as 4y equals negative 3x plus 12. I will then divide by 4 all the way through. I would be left with y equals negative 3/4 x plus 3. Keep going, we're doing the same thing. I need to get y alone. So now we're going to add 4x because the inverse would be a positive for the negative. That would cancel and equal 0. So I'd be left with 2y equals 4x plus 10. Divide 2 all the way through. 2 divided by 2 leaves me with 1y. 4 divided by 2 leaves me with 2x. 10 divided by 2 leaves me with positive 5. Move the 2x to the other side. I would do that by subtracting. 2 minus 2 cancels. Left with y equals negative 2x plus 10. Last one, I can add x to the other side. Cancels out. I'd be left with 2y equals x plus 4. Divide everything by 2. I'm left with y equals, remember when you don't see a coefficient, it's 1, so this is really 1/2 x plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. And that's Wednesday.